Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting episode of Living Colors. Guys, one of the major problem faced by most of the pet keepers is finding a best feed for your pet. And most of the time when you buy a good quality pet feed, it will be really expensive and will crash your budget. In our today's video, we will be introducing to you a high quality pet feed, healthy and a budget feed which you can feed any of your pet. In our video, we will be covering about mealworms and what are the pros and cons of feeding mealworms to your pet and how to care and breed for mealworms. So let's not waste our time, we'll go to our today's video.
If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our interesting video.
Guys, mealworms were originally considered as a pest from Africa because they feed on stored grains and veggies. Once the nutritious value of the larva form of this mealworm beetles was discovered, they were typically used as pet feed for captive reptiles, fish and birds. Guys, when we talk about nutritious value, mealworms are known for high protein and significant nutrient content. It is said for every 100 grams of raw mealworm larva contains 206 calories and anywhere from 14 to 25 grams of protein. They also have greater vitamin content by weight compared to beef. For this reason, a company has launched a mealworm burger in 2018. Mealworms are edible for humans. Historically, many Asian countries, particularly in Southeast Asia, are consuming mealworms. Let us see few benefits of feeding mealworms to your pet. As I told you earlier, mealworms are high in protein, making a healthy and budget feed for your favorite pet. Feeding mealworms help in protecting your pet from heart disease, strengthens bone and improves mood. You can also feed mealworms to your aquarium fishes. They will be benefited from the calcium, vitamins and minerals that are in mealworms. Mealworms can be fed as bonding treat and as a protein supplement. Guys, in recent years, the demand for mealworms has been on rise. Even though there are many companies at the moment producing this worm commercially, we still have many pet owners who would prefer breeding mealworms on their home. When we talk about breeding, one of the first things you have to know about mealworms are their life cycle. Mealworms are not actually worms. They are just a larva form of a darkling beetle. The life cycle of mealworms begins with egg. Typically, a female beetle produces around 300 eggs at a time. These eggs hatch into a larva called as mealworms. The mealworms will feed on their surrounding and grow about 1 inch in length, shedding their skin several times. Mealworms remain as their larva until temperature drops and they will transform into pupa to hibernate. These pupa are C-shaped and appears yellowish white in color. They darken as they get closer to adulthood. Adult beta emerge from this pupa stage. An adult beta can live about 3 to 12 months depending on the temperature and the suitability of their habitat. Guys, another important things in breeding mealworm is getting them a proper housing. You must set and maintain a right condition for your mealworms. These housing methods are same for both mealworms and their beetles. It is recommended to use plastic container not less than 8 cm deep, filled with 4 cm layer of dry oats, corn meal or wheat bran. These oats added as a bedding will be the main source of food for your mealworm. And on an alternative days, your mealworm has to be provided with small pieces of carrot or potato as a source of water. This is a basic setup that will be required for caring for mealworms. Once the housing is ready, you can introduce your first batch of mealworms known as starter culture into your container. You should always ensure to separate the mealworms based on their life cycle, which means you have to keep all the mealworms in one container, pupas in another, and beetles in another container. This is to avoid cannibalism among them. While separating pupa into another container, it is not required to feed them as they will be hibernating during this process. With this, we are ending our today's video. Hope it was helpful for you. And if any of you want mealworms for feeding your pets or as a starter culture in Bangalore, do WhatsApp me on the number given in the description. We have special offer for our subscribers. So see you soon with another interesting video.